be contributing. Climate change, with its far-reaching effects, is one of the primary suspects. The warming of our planet is causing significant changes in ocean temperatures and currents, which can have a profound impact on marine life. As polar ice caps melt and sea levels rise, the delicate balance of marine ecosystems is being disrupted. With its impact on ocean temperatures and currents, climate change is a likely culprit. Warmer waters can alter the distribution of nutrients and prey species, forcing deep-sea creatures to adapt to new conditions. These changes can create a ripple effect throughout the food chain, affecting everything from the smallest plankton to the largest predators. Changes in water temperature can affect the distribution of prey species, leading to shifts in the habitats of deep-sea creatures. As their traditional food sources become scarce or move to different areas, these creatures are compelled to venture into shallower waters in search of sustenance. This migration can bring them into closer contact with humans and other marine species that they would not typically encounter. Forcing deep-sea creatures to venture into shallower waters in search of food is just one aspect of this complex issue. The interconnectedness of marine ecosystems means that changes in one part of the ocean can have far-reaching effects. As deep-sea creatures move into new territories, they may face new challenges and threats, including competition for resources and exposure to pollutants. Overfishing is another contributing factor. Human activities have significantly depleted fish populations in many parts of the world, particularly in shallower waters. This depletion forces predators to expand their hunting grounds in search of food, leading them to venture into deeper or previously uninhabited areas. As we deplete fish populations in shallower waters, the entire marine food web is affected. Predatory fish and other marine animals that rely on these fish for sustenance are forced to adapt to new conditions. This can lead to increased competition for food and changes in the behavior and distribution of marine species. Deep-sea creatures may be forced to expand their hunting grounds, bringing them closer to the surface and into contact with humans. This increased interaction can have both positive and negative consequences. On one hand, it provides scientists with unique opportunities to study these elusive creatures up close. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the potential impacts on both the deep-sea species and the ecosystems they are entering. Bringing them closer to the surface and into contact with humans can lead to increased encounters with divers, fishermen, and other ocean-goers. These interactions can be dangerous for both the creatures and the people involved. Deep-sea species are often not adapted to the conditions of shallower waters, and their presence can disrupt local ecosystems. Pollution and noise pollution from human activities could also be playing a role. The deep sea is not immune to the effects of pollution, and contaminants can accumulate in the water and sediments, affecting the health of marine life. Noise pollution from ships and industrial activities can disrupt the communication and navigation of deep-sea creatures, further complicating their ability to survive and thrive. Disrupting the delicate balance of the deep-sea ecosystem can have cascading effects throughout the ocean. The deep sea is a complex and interconnected environment, and changes in one part of the ecosystem can have far-reaching consequences. Protecting these fragile habitats is essential for maintaining the health and biodiversity of our oceans. The increasing frequency of deep-sea creature sightings serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. The health of our oceans is closely linked to the health of our entire planet, and changes in one part of the world can have ripple effects across the globe. Understanding and addressing the factors driving these changes is crucial for the future of our oceans and the creatures that inhabit them. The far-reaching impacts of human activities on the environment cannot be overstated. From climate change to pollution to overfishing, our actions are having profound effects on the natural world. By studying and understanding these